Hi y'all, welcome back or welcome. My name's Tessa. We're gonna do a different kind of video today. I've never made a how-to video, so this could be a little rough. That being said, if you have any questions, comment them. I will answer. If the same question gets asked a lot, I may just make a new video because, like I said, I'm not used to this. I've never done a video like this, but this is also a very good tip, I think, and I want to share it because it's free, it's easy, it's quick. I'm new, and this is the only way that I've made any of my thumbnails, and I haven't seen anybody else suggest this way, which I'm surprised, and maybe I came up with it, I don't know, but I think that it could be a gold mine, especially for new people. Like I said, it's free, it's easy, and it takes 2 apps. That's it. So that being said, we're going to cut out the fluff, and we're going to go straight to the recording. All right, so first you're just going to go into your photo album on your phone. I usually pick a video or a clip from a video that I'm making, and I just look for a spot to where I can go screenshot it. Takes me a second. I think I found the one I want, so I'm just going to reverse it and pause, clear the screen, and screenshot. Now that I have that, I'm going to make my way over to Snapchat. And then once I get there, I go to where the memories are, my camera rolls connect, and I pick that picture, and I edit that. The first thing I think I'm going to do on this one is add text to it, and I'm just going to probably put what I'm going to make the title of the video. All right, and I think I'm going to change the way the title looks. I'm going to change the little word thing. I'm going to scale it down, move it around a little bit, and now I think I'm going to look for the stickers. I think I'm going to do Snapchat icon first. And it looks like the only options I had on that were the Giphy ones, so I'm looking around, but I don't really see anything else. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to pick the Snapchat icon. I'm going to try and find one that isn't moving around too much because the Giphy section will make your picture into a 9-second video. And that means I'm going to have to go back and screenshot it again later. So I'm going to pick one, like I said, that doesn't move very much. And I think I found the right one. Now I'm going to go look for a YouTube icon because, you know, that's what I'm making it on is Snapchat and YouTube. Okay, so it looks like my only options are, again, the Giphy ones, but so is the Snapchat one, so that doesn't make much of a difference. Again, I'm looking for one that I don't see moving around very much. Now I'm just going to move those around on the screen to where I want to place them. And I want to add one more. I think I'm just going to do a camera, so I'm going to go look for that now as well. I'm just going to save that video, and now we're going to head back to my camera roll on my phone, and we're going to screenshot that. Once we get that screenshotted, we're going to head over to YouTube Studio, and we're going to just find a video I've already made and act like we're going to change the thumbnail on there. So I'm going to click a random video. I'm going to click that little button right there, the little edit button on the left. I'm going to pick a photo, which is going to be the new thumbnail. We're going to scale that to the box. And if I wanted to put that on there, I just hit select, but I already have a thumbnail on this one, so I'm not. I'm just going to go back. But that's how you do it. I'm just popping back in because I forgot to tell you the 2 apps that you needed in the very beginning. Oops. It's going to be Snapchat and YouTube Studio. Since I forgot to add those in the description, or since I forgot to say that in the very beginning of the video, I'm going to add those in the description as well, because oops. But I hope that that was helpful. and informative, and I hope it works for you. So good luck and get to videoing.